Hi, good evening. I have a journal here that I recently made highlighting some of the photographs that I took while on a recent trip to Utah. And I still need to finish the cover of the journal. So what I thought I would try to use is a new product that I haven't tried. It's by Finnabair, Art Extravagance Rust Effect Paste. It's made by Prima in Hungary. I've seen other videos on this, but I've never tried using the product myself. This particular package gave you 3 different color paste. A brown, an orangish red, and yellow ochre. Now I know this company also makes many other colors, but these are the 3 colors that they've packaged together to call it the Rust Effect Paste. The brown is the grittiest color. It has like coarse sand in it. And I'm using a very stiff bristled brush, almost like a stippling brush. This is the very first time. So I'm just trying to pounce it in the crevices. I don't know if I'm supposed to let this dry between colors or not. I'm not going to. I'm going to take now a little bit of the orangish color here. It's not quite as gritty as the brown. I am going to use a fresh brush, however. And lastly, some of the yellow. Where is my brush? Clean brush. Here's one. That looks more like spots. And you can also mix these colors to get your own shades. I think this is looking pretty rusty. I'm liking this. Okay, I'll be back. Here's a up close look at what I did. Okay, so far I've done 3 strips of cardboard. I'm making a bit of a mess, but I really am liking the results. I have some, I guess what you call chipboard items here that, as long as I have this stuff out, I'm going to try to embellish these as well. Okay, here's everything I rusted. I'm pleased with how everything turned out. Product is very easy to use, and I really like the results. Okay, This is the finished cover. I took all the items that I rusted and incorporated them into the cover of my latest journal. Hope you enjoyed this little tutorial. Thanks for watching.